today, our update of Pet Simulator 99. Wait until loading the game. Up, click the stone. Okay. This update for today is the Doodle Battle. A Doodle World, Doodle Battle, Limited Huge Pet, New Pet, Doodle X, Chroma Jar Upgrade, Doodle Gift, Doodle Pencil, Breakable Meme, Enchant, Mayhem, Enchant, Ultra Huge, and Titanic Potion, Hypo Exclusive, the Volcano Pack. We'll see. There is the Hyponic Egg, and then Breakable Mayhem Enchant. Random Huge chance will destroy the breakable. Look. Yan. This. I will go to the new area for today's update. We'll see. Last time, event 234. Then now we'll add 5 area. The Doodle Meadow, Doodle Safari, Doodle Fairyland, and Doodle Cave, and last of the list, Doodle Oasis. We'll go the Doodle Oasis. Okay, we'll jump to the Doodle Oasis because I'm done. Then you will wait. This is the Doodle Oasis. This is the jar. This is the Doodle jar. Then upgrade. Upgrade. You will upgrade. Then you will try Doodle Battle. The Doodle Battle. It's there. There. Wait. My wait. Okay. We'll try the Doodle Battle. Okay. Stop auto farm. Then try the burst. Doodle token. You will get the Doodle token there in 239 area. Okay, try. Ready, get set, go. Faster tap. Oh no. Faster tap. Oh no, this is 49, and then it's suave. Oh, what's happening? Oh, lost. I'm gonna lose. I'll try one more again. 3, 2. Oh. I won! Thank you! There's try. We'll try 3 Doodle. Then make it faster. Whoa! Make it faster! Oh no, 30% versus my percent. Oh no, this is faster. Make it faster. Oh shit! What happened? To complete the session? Oh Oh, I won! I won! I'm lucky today. I'll try. Oh no, I don't have enough skill to challenge this pet. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, thank you. That's the update for today's. Then you will get the doodle like this, oh, doodle pad. Then you will upgrade there. The maximum 32.8. Then faster doodle jar filling there. Okay, this is for today's videos. Thank you. And there the, you will hatch if you're lucky today. There, look. Oh no, I don't have a look. For today's video, this is done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share. I will give away huge pet the next my blog, and comment your username down below and click subscribe and like. Thank you.